Hi guys, it's Sam from Raggedy Bits. I'm going to share with you today how to make this really simple vintage farmhouse alphabet hanger. I've used a couple of pieces of scrap wood along with some linen, some typesetting decor stamps along with my staple gun. Project, I'm just going to be using a scrap bit of linen that I had left over from some pillows that I made a very long time ago. It's cut out into a 24 by 17 inch rectangle, and then we'll be using our brayer and the iron orchard decor stamps typesetting along with some black ink. And I just cut out 2 bits of scrap timber, which I will give you the exact measurements in my blog post, which will also be linked to this tutorial. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lie out the piece of linen. And I'm just going to place the timber at the top and the bottom so that I've got an idea of a border. And then what I'm going to do is I've already peeled off all the alphabet. I'm just going to lay out onto the linen all of the alphabet, so that I can space it out properly. Transfer film, which I've joined up in the center there, and as you can see, it's been pretty well worn. I've used it for quite a few projects, so I'm just going to lay that over the top of the letters, and it's not going to quite fit, but I'm going to see if it will grab all the stamps without too much of a hassle. Okay, so just picked them up, which were good. I'm just going to pop out some black ink onto an old tile. Using black ink. So I've just grabbed a bit of paper towel and I'm just going to run around the letters because I don't want any of the ink to go onto the linen that I might have caught on the transfer film. Okay, so just flip this over. line it up. I'm eyeballing everything, as you know I love to do. So if you would prefer to measure it out, this is now the time to do it. So you've got some markers there just to see where you initially had it all lined up. And you just run your hand over the whole design. Always check just as long as you don't shift. And then pull it off. Okay, so I've let that dry for 24 hours and now I'm just going to heat set it, and all I do for that is get a thin old tea towel and lay it across the design and have an iron on really high heat, and I just iron it. Now it's time to get it all stapled on. And I'm just going to use my little Craft Right staple gun. So I'm just going to flip this over. And because this has got a sticker on it, I'm just going to make sure that's heading towards the back so you can't obviously see it in the front. And I'm just going to line that up. Staple gun. And there we have a fun little alphabet linen chart for you to hang up. It could be look great in a kid's room or in a study or an office. The possibilities are endless. So I'm just going to probably attach a little, I will attach a little hook at the back so it's ready to hang. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make an alphabet hanger. It's a very farmhousey, vintage kind of thing, a bit different from what you see, which is generally on like a piece of cardboard or paper. I'll be sure to leave all the links below of all the products that I used along with the vlog tutorial. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to bringing you some more DIYs.